Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will discuss the problem number 35, which is search insert position. It's time to understand the problem statement. We have given a sorted array having distinct integers and a target value. We need to return the index if we found the target in that array. If we are unable to find the target, then we need to return the length of the whole array. Okay. So here is example number 1. We have an input nums having integer 1, 3, 5 and 6, which is sorted, and we have a target value 5. Output is 2 because if we can see that 1 at 0 index and 3 at first index and 5 at second index. So if we found the target, that means 5 exists in that array, which is our target value. If we found our target, then we need to return the position of that number, which is index 2. Okay. In this case, if our target is missing, if we are unable to find the target, then here is clearly mentioned, if we are unable to find the target, then return the index where it would be inserted. If we were inserted that element, then where it would be inserted, then we need to return that index in the sorting order, in ascending order. Okay. The third case, we are unable to find our target value and it's not present in any of the sequence which are given in the numbers of nums. So what should we do here? We just need to return the length of that array. That means we need to return the length of nums, which is 4. Okay. If you understand the problem statement, let's jump on the code. So in our code, first of all, we need to iterate through the input nums array using for loop. So for I in range length of nums, we need to iterate our loop on nums, and for each element we check if it's greater than or equal to the target or not. For that we are using if condition if nums of I is greater than or equal to the target value, then return index, which is I here. Okay. If we find the element that is greater than or equal to the target, we return its index. If we reach the end of the loop without finding an element, then what should we return here? We return simply the length of the array, which is essential the index where the target would be inserted. Okay, as it is clearly mentioned in the problem statement. Then we are returning here length of nums. Let's run it. Okay, what is the problem here? Global range. Okay, here is a typo mistake. Yep, it accepted all the test cases, and if we submitted it, all right, this code is efficient, and the time complexity of our code is O of n, because we are using a single for loop which is iterating one by one on nums, and our code space complexity is constant because we are not using any extra space and extra data structure for accessing the targeted value. So if you like this video, if you learn from it, subscribe my channel for more coding tutorials. Thanks for watching.